Hello everybody, Princess the Bear here, and we're back with another Disney food at home cooking video.
Welcome to our new kitchen. Today we are missing New Orleans. It's Mardi Gras season.
Big sad.
Port Orleans is closed.
Bigger sad.
So we're going to make a special recipe from Boatwright, the Jambalaya.
What makes you happier than food?
Be sure to hoot at.
You heard the girl.
Keep your old spice bottles to make new spices. Reduce the heat to medium-low and cook for 35 to 40 minutes or until the liquid is absorbed.
There you have it. Homemade jambalaya with plant-based sausage and plant-based chicken.
Thank you to Eagle for your amazing food.
We appreciate your contribution to,
The plant-based life?
well, she does. That's no offense. But either way, let's, we're gonna do dinks.
Yes. I think it's important to get some chorizo and some chicken with the rice. Dink.
You know? That's not bad.
It's not as dry as the jambalaya that I had at Boatwright. It's a little more flavorful. It's not as red. Like, I think it could stand for a little more tomato. And it's a little spicy. Not crazy.
Even though it's plant-based, I don't really notice, and I find myself missing shrimp.
Well, not all jambalaya has shrimp in it. Does it?
No, I like shrimp in mine. I don't know how do you guys like your jambalaya? This is what's more important. We're just cooks, or want to be cooks. I'm probably gonna stop eating through the rest of the video. It's good. I would give it a solid 3 out of 5 claws. It's above average room for improvement, less spicy. Maybe some more ingredients next time, more than just the chicken and the celery and the pepper, and I guess there's a lot of ingredients.
There's a lot of room for interpretation. You can add more veggies. There's a lot of different ways that you can
play
make
with the
jambalaya.
ratios.
Definitely don't start with this Disney recipe as a base and then explore from there.
Yes, I think this is something you can make on a quick night. It'll probably take you
like 30 minutes.
The recipe for plant-based versus not vegan versus non-vegan is just cook time, really. You could probably make this in good 45, 30 minutes, I think.
The vegan version takes about 20 minutes to cook. The meat version takes about 45.
Give another 10, 15 minutes for prep time. Done. Hour meal, family happy. We're gonna have leftovers for days.
Oh yeah, we'll probably have it for lunch and dinner tomorrow.
But we want to know, what's one of your favorite dishes to cook home? Or maybe you want to share your jambalaya recipe with us. The comments are going to be the place to let us know. If there's any other thing you would like to see us cook, any more Disney food you'd like to see us replicate, or hey, maybe even Universal, that's going to be the place to let us know. Hit that notification bell if you want to see videos like this, and
we have new videos 5 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
We will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
Smells like seafood. It tastes more like a box of rice that you would get from a grocery store without adding any extra seasonings. It's kind of bland.
It was a little bland. Use a bit of pepper. Definitely chili powder. It's not that kick I'm used to with jambalaya. It tastes rich, but not as rich as I would expect from like a fresh made jambalaya. It's edible, but like she says, it tastes like a boxed jambalaya. I would give it 2.5 claws out of 5. Average at best.